Let's learn the 5 sounds of OU. The first sound is OW. Out, out, cl, out, cloud, sh, out, shout. The second sound, long O sound, O, f, o, r, for, k, or, t, chord. And the third sound of OU is k, tree, k, zin, cousin. The fourth sound is the short U sound, sh, u, de, should, w, u, de, would. And the fifth sound is the long U sound, y, u, u, s, u, p, soup, k, u, coop. I'm Nalakshi and I've been an educator for the last 42 years. I help toddlers to turn into independent readers and writers. Comment phonics below to join my 7 months comprehensive phonics course.